Good morning, children. I am reading the 25th lesson from Radiant Reader, The King and His Lazy People. I am reading this lesson so that we will identify the adjectives, prepositions, and conjunctions from this lesson. Listen attentively and answer me when I ask you. Boat, coat, goat. Boat, coat, goat. Once upon a time, there was a king who lived in a palace on the bank of a river. He was not a happy king because his people were very lazy. Children, please tell me the adjective from these four lines. Yes? Happy. Then lazy. Very good. Prepositions in, on. Conjunction because. Very good. Next paragraph. Every time he went out in his coach, he saw stones and rubbish lying on the roads. Every time he sailed in his boat, he found the river very dirty. Yes, children? Please tell me the preposition, conjunction, and adjective from this paragraph. Out. Yes, out is a preposition. Then on. Preposition. Yes. Next. Dirty. What is dirty, children? Adjective. Good. Alas, why are my people so lazy? He moaned. Why do they not keep the roads clean? He thought for a while and said, I must teach them a lesson. Children, any adjective in this paragraph? Lazy, yes, we have already done it over here. Next, clean, yes, very good. One night he took a bag of gold with him and went to the main road. His visor also was with him. Any adjective over here, children? No. Preposition? Yes, with. Then, any more? Also is a conjunction. Good. He saw a pit in the middle of the road and he put the gold in it. Then the king and the vizier rolled a big stone over the pit. Yes? Any conjunctions over here? Any prepositions over here? Please tell me. In the middle of the road. Yes, in the middle is a preposition because it shows the position or the place. Then, and it is a conjunction. Yes. Over. Again, this is a preposition. The next day, a man came along the road in his cart, which was full of coal. He saw the big stone in the middle of the road, but he was not worried about it and drove his cart round the left side of the stone. Children, any preposition conjunctions over here? Please tell me. A man came along the road. Yes, along is a preposition. Next, in. Yes, correct, but we have already done it. Big. Yes, big is a, what is it? Adjective. Good. Then, he drove his cart round the left side of the stone. So, round is also a preposition and left side also tells you the place. So, this is also a preposition. It is showing you the left side. Then a second man came along with a flock of sheep and goats. The stone did not worry him also, and he drove his flock around the right side of the road. Again over here, along. Yes, we have done it over here. Round, We have done it over here. These are prepositions, and again this is telling you the right side of the road. So right side is also a preposition. Also is a conjunction. Now children, just let us revise the adjective, prepositions and conjunctions which we read in this lesson. Yes, first one is lazy. Okay, lazy is an adjective. Then next, happy. Yes, happy. Next, big. Okay, dirty. Clean. I am reading the adjectives for you children. Lazy, happy, big, dirty, clean. Now the prepositions children, let us revise them. On. Yes. Then in. With. Along. Out. Yes, very good children. With, we have done it. With, we have done. In the middle, yes, in the middle. Left side, it is showing you the position. Left side, it is telling you the place. And right side. Good. I am reading the prepositions for you. On, in, with, along, out, in the middle, left side, right side. Now let us see the conjunctions children. Because, and, but, also. I am reading the conjunctions for you. Because, and, but, also. Children, let us revise the whole set now. Adjectives, lazy, happy, big, dirty, clean. Prepositions, on, in, with, along, out, in the middle, left side, right side. Conjunction, because, and, but, also. Thank you, children.